Hi, I'm Bobby Kidder, and I'm a co-instructor for a workshop we have coming up at the Institute called Navigating the Unknown, Our Stories in Uncertain Times. My co-instructor, Kriya Caping, and I are both teachers and trainers. That's our work. I'm also a drama therapist. She's a storyteller. And so we're familiar with what can happen when an embodied approach, an action strategy is used in therapy. It is quite simply healing in action. And we're very excited to couple that with revisiting and renewing our commitment to the resources that you'll be provided with in this workshop. It's the theorists that we hold dear: Virginia Satir, Michael White, Bessel van der Kolk. We have a lot to offer in the workshop that I think is really going to be helpful to open you up, which is a renewal that your clients will feel, and you'll continue to feel the health of that. So look at the dates and the times and sign up, and we hope to see you there. All right. Thanks.